my name is Leah. My name is like that. What's your name? My name is Mia. That's your side and this is my side. There's a little shop nearby. Oh. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, let me just unpack stuff. If I can.
Ngayon naman lugo ni Leonardo 350 kay para puro pang piston ring.
Nag 350 day.
Apo. Piston ko no ang kulang sa kuwan. Ay pag wala ko maghatag og 100 ay papa.
Kaya man nga may service yan. Ito pa niya sagay-sagay. Pero ka-drive naman siya sa kuwan. Wala ni dito. Kaya papa, pero mag-iso siya puto.
Terus mag-drive pa uli nga. Baw nga. Mga inanang edad, di pa pwede pa drive doon.
Nice ko naman siya.
Ako ni gastos ito, petrol ring nga. Sakto lang yung palit og gasol ni. Kuwan. Karoon na lang na sildo. Nadi pa miss.
I think this is my hat. Yeah. I don't have the stuff yet.
Ay, ko pa na siya. Ito pa dito, kahit titin mo na eh. Asa mo kang balik dyan, Tol?
Dito na kamay kuwan.
So where should I put this? Let me put the book there. And then why can't I lift stuff? If I can lift up, then I'll be down. Yes. Oh, did I literally cavity? Yes, my gosh, it's here. I didn't bring too much because I know I'll overpack. That's about it, everyone. Oh, and can you show me the Oh my god. Pretend they had a basket and they put basket here. Oh my god, this is so annoying. That. Dun. Wait, let's go. Oh, and I've had that. What person should I bring there? Oh, so annoying. What person? Yeah, I'll just bring her there. Sit down. The place. Wow. Just nearby. I know. What should I buy? guys, you need to wait for part 4 because I don't have any more time yet. So yeah, bye.